These are some of the strangest bird sounds ever recorded, and the last one is truly terrifying. Number 1. White bellbird, the loudest bird on Earth. Its call reaches 125 decibels, sounding more like a siren than a bird. Number 2. Loonbird. Its eerie, haunting calls echo across lakes, sounding like a ghostly wail in the night. Before I reveal the last one, if you're not an alien, then like this video and subscribe to the channel. Only good humans can do it. Aliens won't. Number 3. Shoebill, a bird that sounds like a machine gun in the wild.